Copy. Roger that, Commander.
Affirmative.
Consider it done.
Everybody advance. Well,
Good to go.
that is one less enemy to deal with.
Acknowledged.
You know what? Multi-target. Hit Fox is going to be target A. It's building. Then my troops die. I don't dig that at all. Okay. There we go. That looks right. Load. Name. Aza. I would like you also to go and fire upon them. You have ammunition, and it needs to be placed upon their mech. Nope. Headshots.
It is not too late for my mercy. Farewell, sweet Nerevar.
Whoopsie doodle. Hey there, Kate. How are you doing? I think... Hold on. There's a spot where I can have a... Yeah. You know what? We're gonna go right there. Sharky, welcome in. So I suspect you've been lurking for a bit.
Firing.
No joy.
Nothing.
Bird the Burk? Hey.
Crap. That hit hard.
That did damage to my armor. That's not cool. With the long distance laser fire. And your B with everything else.
Firing on multiple enemies.
It was worth a shot. Eh? Oh. That
You
means
bet
the
that.
shooting is gonna start soon.
Copy that, Commander.
Order acknowledged.
On the move. Confirmed. Moving to position. On my way.
We're gonna go over here.
Come, Nerevar, friend or traitor, come.
We're gonna go and screen our Timberwolf friend.
Looks like I'll need a new target.
Well, made short work of that battle mech.
Waiting for orders. I read you, Commander. Moving out.
Blank. I mean, you kind of an upgrade. What do you have? Machine gun. I don't know why I would ever garrison any of my like battle armor troops in a building. Because like, if the enemy blows up, oh yeah, she did. Think that's actually everyone.
Roger. Venting heat.
So we should be leaving combat now. Yeah. We'll go with this. We'll aim at you, because you have... Yeah, you have battle armor on you.
Critical hit, Commander.
Nice. Too bad I don't have multi-targeting on her. I'm gonna take shield stance though. And you know what? You're gonna drop... You know what? Good enough. Turn off one of the ear. You know what? No. Turn off one of the UACs. And... I would like you to fire upon him.
Yup.
Rough.
I hope we can salvage that.
Well, that took care of that, I guess. Aim.
Acknowledged.
And if I turn off a medium pulse. Medium, yeah, well, hold on. There we go.
Rolling.
I just... Something tells me they're having a very bad day. Oh.
Enemy mech. Critical damage detected.
Better chance of hitting with all of the things. Bye-bye.
It's go time! Enemy eliminated.
Omnipotent, omniscient, sovereign, immutable.
Oh.
There is no escape, no intervention can work in this place.
I don't think that mech pilot is having a very good time at the moment.
I'm walking here. I'm there.
Do 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 do.
We have the asset, Commander.
Oh. Well, that was anticlimactic. We will let loose on this cougar.
Target.
Get treats.
Enemy mech. Critical damage detected.
Oh, yes. Get more treats. Oh, I bring lots of big guns. In fact, I'm bringing 12 big guns as we speak. Yeah. But it is a mech that I can sell.
Command interface initiated.
Standing by.
Cardon in the slow-ass Atlas. Move up that way. Actually, no. I won't regret. Yeah, there we go. Ooh. Okay. I go over there. Okay. I mean, there's an easier way. I
Firing. Inflicted some nasty on that son of a bitch.
That's right.
What are your orders, Skipper?
Awesome.
Ready to rock.
80.
10-4.
You know what? Yeah. And... I could...
Yes, Commander.
Freedom?
Aye.
Heading out.
Probably actually have Sharmat go and pick up the VIP. That will probably be...
Come, Nerevar, friend or traitor.
Haha. Hey. Not cool. Not cool at all.
Come, Nerevar, friend or traitor, come.
Blam. Yeah, you're gonna go over this way.
Moving out.
Oh. Ultra Ball. You hear me? I said Ultra Ball. Okay. Well. Servo. We're gonna go over here, because I need technically you to be a spotter at the moment. I may regret... I want that fat salvage. I should be able to get at least one mech out of this fight. I mean, the most... I might get a heavy mech. Most likely it'll be a medium.
Target's down.
Thank you.
This is getting tiresome.
I'm once again a nuisance to Mother Nature. Lighting fucking the forest on fire again.
I'm going.
Don't need to tell me twice.
Coordinates received. Position confirmed.
I'm rolling.
That. Print as well. You're gonna go up this way.
Understood. Moving fast.
And we're also going to stay down. Shady. You get to play with the new ride. I need to get some more mech warriors.
Mech warriors, prepare for combat.
Onward.
Oh wow, you can fucking go.
Move into position.
sensor lock. You know what? I'll just kind of Hail Mary some shots at you.
Engaging target.
Yeah, like that. Okay, lasers. Oh yeah, Artemis works better when you're looking directly at them.
Acknowledged.
I don't want that mech to be standing there anymore. Please make it go away. I'm going to come over here and shoot you in the back. Yeah, shoot you in the back.
Lay down your weapons.
Okay, so... Hey. Go for it. Turn off an LRM-20.
10-4.
You need to sprint. And enter turn.
Waiting for orders.
Doctor? Oh, lame.
Hey! Stand still when I'm attacking you!
Yes, Commander.
Jedi. You...
Copy that.
Roger.
I'm there.
Confirmed.
Coordinates received.
Apparently... My good girl. Yes, you my good girl. You got your 2 treats.
Commander?
Thank you for dropping that shout-out, Trekkie.
Copy that, Commander.
Move order received.
Come.
The play. Then I can kind of move everybody else into position for the ambush that's sure to come.
On my way!
Hold up. Something's up. Oh. Okay. Well. I've made a little bit of money. Nothing, like, significant, but a little bit. Okay, so I'll take the fire moth. That'll give me 3 fire moth pieces. So, fire in places where I did not
On my way.
use Inferno stuff.
Acknowledge, Commander.
Acknowledged.
Location confirmed.
LRMs, plasma PPC, LRMs. What do you got? Oh yeah, you have the metric shit ton of LRMs. So we're gonna leave you where you're at. Normal rounds. You're gonna soften that fire moth up. Load. Yay! What? Doesn't. Oh, butt asp. Could just take out all of the Jade Falcon forces. I mean, that's entirely plausible too.
Rolling. Coordinates received.
Right, you're gonna target protect for everybody else in the turn. Make everybody else's lives a little bit easier. And yeah. I thought you had the... Oh, no, you don't have the... Fleet of Foot, or whatever the fuck it's called. You do. What? Are also going to advance. Ooh, okay. Much. I was expecting more. Well, I'm gonna get at least one light mech out of the deal. Pardon me. A and B.
No problem. I've got enough guns for everyone.
Yeah. Turn off the hyper assault gauss. I don't need to fire that. Phantom.
Heads out.
Just so that you can actually have some evasion pips. Hopefully there's, like, at least a medium mech coming up. Let's go with Hydra first. In the Dire Wolf. You're gonna go Phantom come into play.
I'm receiving you. Move order received.
Let's see. Well, You. Aim for the head.
Roger.
I at least did a little bit. Ooh, fire mouths come into play? Ooh, fire moths. We're just gonna reload the save file. And hopefully... And if it does it again, I'm gonna try a different mission? What are you doing? I'm glad those PPCs missed. Oh. You. You're gonna aim for center of mass.
Roger.
Because there's, like, fat chance that you're gonna...
Target missed.
Okay. Well, let's continue on our way.
Ordnance received.
Oh, enemy contact. I'm okay with that. If we go like that. Yeah, we're gonna aim at you. And we're gonna say aim for the head.
Aye.
Affirmative, Commander.
Come, Nerevar, friend or traitor, come.
You should say thank you to Shirky. Two, 56, 56. Damn. You know what? You know what? Go for it. Might be able to hit something.
Standing by. Got it, Commander.
Oh, there goes your leg.
Think I hit something.
Always headshots.
Here we go.
Oh.
Waiting for orders. Location confirmed.
In order to even have a chance of hitting this guy right now, I need to fucking precision strike.
No luck. Ready for orders.
Who's next? Sherman.
Come, Nerevar, friend or traitor, come.
Got it.
Ugh, it's a bunch of light mechs.
The work you put in on that thrust controls really paid off. Steering is buttery smooth.
Wanted to go fight some Jade Falcons and salvage some clan tech. Because, I mean, wow.
How sweet it is to be a god.
Isn't that just fun?
Standing by. I'm there.
Coordinates received.
Okay, yeah. Don't know why there's... I'll take the salamander piece. I'll take the elemental piece. I'll take the 2 cougar pieces.
Light damage. Holding firm.
Dare you? There we go. Okay, so they have at least one. Oh, it's a fire moth. Oh. Guy. He's just a little guy.